Thank you for visiting QBsMagnetic Creations. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the magnetic jewelry string. This is the jewelry string itself. It is an absolutely wonderful product. To remove the magnets, so it comes with this is your jewelry string. The little magnets are on the back side. To remove, slide to the side to get the magnets off. Again, slide to the side. So then you'll have the magnetic jewelry string, and it is such a beautiful piece, as you can see. And the magnets are on the back side, permanently affixed to the back side of the jewelry string. So you go on the outside of your clothing on one side, let the magnet just kind of roll out of your hand onto the clothing. It will not damage your clothing. That's the best thing about these, is that you can wear these jewelry strings on your jacket, sweater, scarf, blazer, boot, and it does no damage because they're magnets. So once you have it on, you can maneuver and move the jewelry string in place to your liking, and you don't have to worry about it damaging your clothing. But what you can see is that you go from ordinary to extraordinary in just a matter of seconds.